Hi there. On this unusually warm Christmas Eve here in upstate New York, I'd like to wish you all the happiest of holidays. This year, quite frankly, flew by. I went to so many exciting places. I went to the Côte d'Azur in Hong Kong with some great Bowdoin friends. I went to Japan with family for the first time, and work has taken me all over the place, from DC and Chicago to Milwaukee and New Orleans. It's definitely great to see so many places, but when I'm not away, I'm still living in Gramercy Park in Manhattan, and it's still great to call New York home. Now, many of you know that this is absolutely my favorite time of year, so I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Hope you're spending some great time with family and friends, and I'll see you in 2016.